The world of cryptocurrency is brimming with opportunities to earn money, and one such avenue is through Telegram. While known primarily as a messaging app, Telegram has evolved into a platform where you can explore the exciting realm of crypto games and even manage your digital assets with its integrated wallet. Imagine playing games on your phone and earning cryptocurrency. That's the reality Telegram offers. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting, Telegram provides a user-friendly environment to delve into crypto games and potentially earn some digital cash. This essay will serve as your comprehensive guide to navigating the world of Telegram's crypto offerings. We'll walk you through setting up your Telegram wallet, funding it, exploring different crypto games, and even cashing out your earnings. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to discover how Telegram can become your gateway to crypto earnings. At the heart of Telegram's crypto ecosystem lies the Telegram wallet. This integrated wallet allows you to send, receive, and store cryptocurrencies directly within the Telegram app. No need for third-party wallets or complicated setups. It's all right there at your fingertips. The Telegram wallet is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It supports various cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile tool for managing your digital assets. You can easily send crypto to your Telegram contacts, receive payments, and even store your digital coins securely. Security is paramount when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and the Telegram wallet doesn't disappoint. Your funds are protected by Telegram's robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, ensuring that your digital assets remain safe and sound. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or simply looking for a convenient way to manage your digital currencies, the Telegram wallet offers a seamless and secure experience. Creating your Telegram wallet is a breeze. Follow these simple steps and you'll be ready to dive into the world of Telegram crypto in no time. First, download Telegram. If you haven't already, download and install the Telegram app on your smartphone or desktop. Next, sign up for a new Telegram account or log in if you're an existing user. Then, access the wallet feature. Navigate to the settings menu within the Telegram app. Look for the wallet option and select it. Now, create your wallet. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Telegram wallet. You'll be asked to create a secure passcode to protect your wallet. Congratulations! Your Telegram wallet is now up and running. You can start using it to send, receive, and store your cryptocurrencies securely within the Telegram app. Now that your Telegram wallet is set up, it's time to fund it with some cryptocurrency. There are two primary ways to do this. First, receiving crypto from other users. If you know someone else who uses Telegram wallet, they can easily send you crypto. Simply provide them with your Telegram username or phone number linked to your account, and they can transfer funds directly to your wallet. Second, buying crypto on exchanges. The most common way to fund your wallet is by purchasing cryptocurrency on a cryptocurrency exchange. Once you've bought your desired cryptocurrency, you can withdraw it to your Telegram wallet using the wallet address provided within the app. With your Telegram wallet funded, you're ready to explore the exciting world of crypto games and start earning. Section 5: Crypto Games on Telegram, where fun meets profit. One of the most enticing aspects of Telegram's crypto ecosystem is the plethora of crypto games available. These games offer a unique opportunity to have fun while potentially earning cryptocurrency. They vary widely in genre and gameplay. You can find everything from simple faucet games that reward you with small amounts of crypto for completing tasks to more complex trading simulations and even blockchain-based games where you can own and trade in-game assets. What makes these games particularly appealing is their accessibility. They don't require any special hardware or software. All you need is your smartphone and a Telegram account to start playing. So, if you're looking for a fun and potentially profitable way to enter the crypto world, Telegram's crypto games are a great place to start. Section 6: Diving into the world of Telegram crypto games. With countless crypto games available on Telegram, it can be challenging to know where to begin. Here are a few popular options to get you started. First, we have these games involve interacting with Telegram bots that offer various tasks and challenges. Completing these tasks earns you crypto rewards. Some popular examples include where you can simulate Bitcoin mining and earn small amounts of Bitcoin, and where you spin a wheel of fortune to win various crypto prizes. Next, there are. These let you test your trading skills in a risk-free environment. You can trade virtual cryptocurrencies, learn about market trends, and compete with others for the highest profits. Lastly, these games leverage blockchain technology to offer unique gameplay experiences. You can own in-game assets as NFTs, trade them with other players, and even earn crypto by participating in the game's ecosystem. Remember to research and choose games that align with your interests and risk tolerance. Telegram's crypto gaming landscape is constantly evolving, so keep an eye out for new and exciting games to try your hand at. Section 7. Maximizing your crypto game earnings, tips and tricks. While crypto games offer a fun and potentially profitable way to earn cryptocurrency, it's important to approach them strategically. Here are some tips to maximize your earnings. 1. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Begin with small bets or investments and gradually increase your stake as you become more comfortable with the game. 2. Before diving into any crypto game, take the time to understand its rules, gameplay mechanics, and earning potential. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary losses. 3. Set a budget for your crypto gaming activities and stick to it. Avoid chasing losses or betting more than you can afford, as this can lead to significant financial setbacks. 4. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different crypto games and diversify your investments to spread your risk and increase your chances of earning. 5. The crypto gaming landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated on new games, trends, and earning opportunities to stay ahead of the curve. Section 8. Cashing out, withdrawing your crypto treasures. Once you've accumulated some earnings from crypto games, you'll want to know how to withdraw them. The process is generally straightforward. 1. Each game or platform may have minimum withdrawal limits. Ensure you have met the required amount before attempting to withdraw. 2. Most platforms will require you to provide a valid cryptocurrency wallet address to receive your withdrawn funds. You can use your Telegram wallet address or any other wallet you prefer. 3. Follow the platform's instructions to initiate the withdrawal process. This typically involves confirming your withdrawal amount and wallet address. Withdrawal times can vary depending on the platform and the cryptocurrency being withdrawn. Be sure to factor in any applicable transaction fees. Section 9. Weighing the scales. Pros and cons of Telegram crypto ventures. Before you dive headfirst into the world of Telegram crypto games and earnings, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons. Telegram's integrated wallet and readily available crypto games make it incredibly easy for anyone to start exploring the world of cryptocurrency. Many crypto games require minimal or no initial investment, making it accessible to a wider audience. While not a guaranteed path to riches, crypto games offer the potential to earn cryptocurrency while having fun. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility. This means your earnings can fluctuate significantly in value. As with any online platform, there's a risk of encountering scams or fraudulent games. Be cautious and research thoroughly before investing any funds. The regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies is still evolving, which can create uncertainty and potential risks for users. Carefully consider these pros and cons to determine if Telegram crypto ventures align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Section 10. Ready to play? Embrace the Telegram crypto adventure. The world of Telegram crypto games and earnings offers a unique blend of entertainment and potential profit. With its user-friendly wallet, a vast selection of games, and a thriving community, Telegram provides an accessible gateway for anyone looking to dip their toes into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Remember to approach crypto ventures with caution, do your research, and only invest what you can afford to lose. With a bit of luck and a strategic approach, you might just find yourself earning some digital treasures while having a blast on Telegram. So why wait? Dive in, explore, and see what crypto adventures await you.